Handbook on Manufacture of Indian Kitchen Spices, Masala Powder, with formulations, processes and machinery details, 4th revised edition. Chaat Masala, Sambar Masala, Pav Bhaji Masala, Garam Masala, Goda Masala, Pani Puri Masala, Kitchen King Masala, Thandai Masala Powder, Meat Masala, Rasm Powder, Kesari Milk Masala, Punjabi Chole Masala, Shahi Biryani Masala, Tea Masala Powder, Jaljeera Masala, Tandoori Masala, Fish Curry Masala, Chicken Masala, Pickle Masala, Curry Powder. India, referred to as the House of Spices, boasts a long history of trading with the traditional civilizations of Rome and China. Today, Indian spices are the foremost sought after globally, given their exquisite aroma, texture, style and medicative value. India has the most important domestic marketplace for spices within the world. The demand scenario for major spices in India has been comprehensively examined within the study. The shift in preferences of domestic consumers for food items, increasing urbanization and rising incomes, altered demographic and social factors, and therefore the changes in productivity of spices have caused changes within the pattern of their consumption and demand. The book presents the fundamental concepts of spices, masala powder, Indian kitchen spices product mix in a manner that new entrepreneurs can understand easily. It covers formulation for spices,